You don't need glue on that pocket folder, and I'll prove it to you 3 ways to help you cut costs and impress eco-conscious clients. Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today I'm not sharing 1 sample, I'm sharing 3, and no one can stop me. I guess that's the beauty of having my own show. I've been looking across my archive recently and searching for ideas in multiples because I think it's so much easier to grasp a concept when you can view more than 1 example of it. And the concept I chose for this week is the glueless pocket folder. So I chose it because many of us have either the desire to produce more eco-conscious marketing materials for ourselves, or we might have clients who feel strongly about it too. Also, there are times when maybe we wish we could remove 1 step of the production process for cost-cutting measures, like skipping the glue. But pocket folders always use glue, unless they're magical glueless designs like these. So let's take a closer look at 3 entirely different ways to design a functional glueless pocket folder. This first sample has a really unique vertical opening experience. That first cover panel opens up, and you can see there that the curve of the cover panel tucks into that bottom panel in a slit. I love the curved side panels. You can see how that center area can hold a lot of loose materials. The sides protect them from coming out, and then you have this really nice tuck to close. This next one has a beautiful, see this curve along the top? I love how it breaks that standard rectangular format. It's got a 4-page cover with a fold out that's really nice, lots of extra real estate for graphics. And then on the right, there's a classic bottom pocket, but look at how this works. It's in 2 pieces, and you've got kind of 2 creative slits that work together. One folds up, the other one tucks in. Perfect. This last one I love because we've done a bottom pocket, we've done sides with the top opening. Now this is a classic side pocket, but this is 2 curved panels that creatively work together. You see you've got a slit here. I also like the spot for the business card, but then you basically fold the one and fold the other, and they tuck into each other. And I really like how sturdy this is. This can hold a lot of material. Now, of course, when the usually machine-automated gluing process is removed, there is work that must be done in folding these glueless pocket folders by hand. And if you're paying for that service, then you're not really saving money, you're just replacing one process with another likely more expensive process. But you could also have them shipped flat and have your team batch fold them as they use them. So to be clear, I'm not suggesting this is a solution for 100,000 pocket folders, but it's a really creative way to remove glue from the process and to make an earthy, eco-conscious impression. A very special thanks to TPG Design and Illustration, Marketing by Design, and Louis Rubino Design Group for sharing their work. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.